I bought a 2006 4Runner about 6 months ago, and it's currently 2018 as I speak. This is my first 4Runner, although I have admired them from afar for many years. I really liked this one because it was fairly clean, well cared for, and I liked the color. I wanted to build up this 4Runner just a bit to make it more capable for some light off-roading, which I inevitably will be doing. I'm a photographer and a videographer, and I often find myself off-road and needing to get somewhere where a car or a small truck is just not going to get me. For now, I'm keeping the stock rims, but the tires are going bigger for sure. I've previously done my rims, mirrors, front grille, and all the badging in the black Plasti Dip. Here in the Hendersonville, Tennessee area, where else would you go but to Brian's Motorsports? They sell lots of high-end wheels for about every motorsport enthusiast there is. This is the place to go for a lift job around here. Brian and his crew are used to working on much bigger and newer vehicles than mine, many of which are show vehicles of large proportions. The lift kit I've gone with, as recommended by Brian, is the Rough Country 3-inch Toyota Series 2. I almost sprang for some new struts, but I decided to wait for that. I had a torn CV boot that needed replacement, so I just went ahead and got 2 new axles together for the left and the right side. And as promised, it only took the guys a few hours to do the entire lift kit and to replace the axle on both sides. For tires, Brian had originally recommended that I go with the Nitto 285/75 17s. And after much research on the Toyota 4Runner forums, that's exactly what I did. I wanted some tires that were aggressive in appearance and in function, but didn't look too beastly. Ultimately, I'll be going with the Toyota TRD rims. The Nitto tires turned out to be perfect, just the exact look I want. I had them mount the aggressive side out. After the tires were all mounted up on my truck, it was time to get in alignment, so that's part of their package. They took it a few stalls down for an alignment. And their alignment rack is a beast. And after all the planning and the work, it was time to take a look at it, and I was stoked. What a great transformation it was. I couldn't be more happy with the look and the new usefulness of my SUV. I don't plan on doing anything extreme off-road, but it's great to be able to get where I want within reason. A few days after the lift job, I took it out for some more field testing and got a little mud on the tires, as Brad Paisley would say. And it handled everything like a boss. If I had $1 billion in the bank, I'd still be driving a 4Runner. It'd be a newer 4Runner. And I'd have a Ferrari in the garage. But the 4Runner would be my daily driver. This is the best vehicle I've ever owned. Not the newest, but the best. Eventually I'll get a newer one when this one wears out, which is probably going to be a long, long time away. And now it's pretty well equipped for whatever adventures await me.